how to make a game pass in Roblox. So let's get started. First thing first you'll have to do is you can open Roblox either through the player app or the web browser. Then simply gain access to the Roblox Creator Hub by clicking the Create button on the Roblox homepage. Alternatively, go to More then look for Create in the Roblox app. After that, select the game you want to make a game pass for. After you do that, go to the passes. Now, under the passes settings, you will see two tabs, Creations and Analytics. Then start by clicking the Create a Pass under the Creations tab. After that, customize your Game Pass. Now, get ready to sell your Game Pass. Once you are ready to monetize, click on it to open its basic settings and open the Sales tab and enable items for sale. After that, set a price. Your Game Pass will be sold for Robux and in-game currency that players buy with real money. Keep in mind that you will earn 70% of the profit for each successful transaction. Hit Save Changes if you want to see the web page for your Game Pass and click on the three dots on its image and hit Open in New tab. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.